So guys, you all know that the Lamborghini Huracan Performante is a track monster. It looks great in person, but how it sounds is incredible. It's in fact out of this world. So what I want to do for you today is share with you what this sounds like in the three modes: Strada, Sport, and my favorite, Corsa. We took the car through many different places this time in LA, including some of the canyons above Los Angeles. So why don't you take a listen to what these three different modes are and tell me what's your favorite mode. All right guys, so we're gonna start the car in Sport, and then I'm gonna put it in Strada, Rev, I'll put it in Sport and Rev, and then I'll put it in Corsa so you can hear what it sounds like just standing still, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, so that's what it sounds like in Strada, Sport, and Corsa, standing still. But of course, that's not how we live life. We don't live life in Strada, it's Sport or Corsa. So we're going to take this car into the canyons of Los Angeles, and you're going to hear this car under full throttle in both Sport and Corsa. That's kind of how we drive it. And tell me what you think of the Performante through those roads. Here it goes. But there's so much good footage on that, we can't leave this drone behind. We actually found it.
This is just... It's working.
Oh.
Go.
Ooh.
There it is right there, guys. Oh, here we go! Boom! Yeah! Wait, I think it actually caught its fall enough. Yeah, it did. Oh, you alright?
The gimbal is good.
Yes, alright, safe.
Holy!
Drone.
And we were shooting Alex driving the Performante along this amazing road. And then we were doing sideways shots and ran into this gem of a tree. Let me show you what it looks like. Anyway guys, it's over, it's done. We're bringing the drone home. For you, we do these things. Pretty amazing, but we got it back and we got that crispy footage for you. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next video. And happy droning, safe droning as well.